individual homes. The one is, ha? Oh my gosh. Si Kuya. Si Kuya. Hello everyone.
Vlogger na naman.
Yeah. We start again our
Bakit na sa pageant?
daily routine.
Hindi halatang may kwarta.
Yeah. We don't have money to buy everything. We must be like and share our vlog so that we can earn more likes and share. Muta-muta everyone. Muta-muta everyone. Bye-bye everyone. Dito lang tayo nagtatapos ang ating vlogging. Ay, naku. Ano ba yun, Long?